Hello and welcome. It's lovely to have you here again. I am Oluwa Kemi and this is question 5, Economics WAEC exam 2018. The question goes thus. In a pie chart, the population of city is represented by a sector 45 degrees. The country has a population of 10 million people. Then the city's population is what? Okay, so a pie chart, as we know, is a round circle. Okay, and we were told that in this pie chart, the city's population is represented by a sector of 45 degrees, and that will be like half of 90 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Okay, and the entire population, the entire population is the angle at the center, which is 360 degrees. Okay, that is 360 degrees, and we were told that that is equal to what? 10 million people. Okay, we're going to use one simple way to find this out, the population of the city. First, by knowing what 1 degree is equal to in that population. And we can get this by dividing the total population, that is 10 million, by 360. So we're going to use our calculator now. Let us punch 10 million in our calculator. 10 million to be divided by 360. Okay, so that will give us 27,000. That is 27,778, and we're going to multiply that. Since we now know that 1 degree is 27,780, we multiply that by 45 degrees. And let us go back to our calculator. We multiply this by 45, and we get a final answer as 1,250,000 people. Okay, so this is the population for the city. So if we go to the answer options, we can see that option C, 1.25, which is same as 1,250,000, is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.